Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to give you an update on my portfolio. So, great news today. Today was a really good day. As you can see here, my portfolio right now is at $66,689.90. Today I'm up $6,669.97. That's an 11.11% gain. So that's huge, and the reason is because Alibaba, thank goodness it went up today. So this was giving me the most trouble in my portfolio because Alibaba was a huge chunk of my plays, the spreads I have, and it was in danger of going way below my break-even price of one of my spreads that's expiring soon. But thankfully it's gone up again. So Alibaba has been going down for the past week. As you can see, it's down about 4.16% for the past week now. Especially on this day, like, this was a huge drop down. It went from 208 all the way down to 200, went down to like the new 52-week low, right? It went down really low. This was the lowest it's been in the last 52 weeks on the 8th, July 8th. But thankfully today it's recovered. So today Alibaba went up about 3.05% during the day, and then after hours it looks like it's up another 0.17%. So it's making a recovery, and because of that my spreads have been doing well today, especially the one that's expiring on the 30th. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, today's return, just for today, plus 25%. So a 25% return for today, just today. And I'm going to see those huge swings up and down as we get closer to the expiration date and as we're near the break-even price. Because it was at around 200, right? But now it's at around 206. For max profit, I need Alibaba to stay above 200 a share for max profit. And to make any profit at all, it needs to stay above the break-even price, which is $199.10. So hopefully Baba stays above 200 for max profit. That's what I really want on the 30th. But there's no guarantee where it's going to go. Maybe it'll drop down even further. I don't know. I don't know 100% where Baba is going to go from now until the 30th, but I'm still hanging on to these spreads. I'm not getting rid of these. I'm just going to hold on to them and see what happens. I do have other spreads from Baba. I got the $195 $200 call debit spread expiring in November. I'm not worried about this so much because it expires in November. I still have a couple months. And because the expiration date is still a little bit further away, a couple months out, it doesn't move as much as my spread that expires on the 30th, well, less than a month from now. As you can see, today's return, plus 9.62%, so not plus 25%, right? Not that big of a move. And even less, this one expires in December, so even further away. Today's return, 6.86%. So as you can see, the further away a spread is, the smaller the moves it makes day to day. But when you're really close to the expiration date, and it's a really close call on where it's going to be in terms of above or below the break-even price or the max profit price, like, things can swing very wildly in either direction. Who knows? If I open red on Monday and Alibaba goes below 200 again, this could go, it could swing back to the downside. Yeah, it's going to be crazy until the 30th. The 30th is when this expires, and I plan to hold it until then. And who knows what can happen until then. I don't know. But hopefully, best case scenario for me, Alibaba stays above $200 a share. That's what I'm hoping for. But yeah. So far, so good. At least for now. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if Baba is going to crash down again. I hope it doesn't, but anything can happen. All right, so yeah, so that's the thing that has most of my attention right now is Alibaba. I'm really paying attention to where it is and how my spreads are doing. And then IPOF, 7.5 $10 call debit spread. This is doing very well. So the expiration date, it expires in December 17th. Total return plus 27.36%. So a 27% return so far. And especially today's return, it's up 14.04%. So up 14% just today. So my IPOF spreads are doing really well. PSTH, I believe I'm down a little bit on these spreads. These expire December 17th. My PSTH $19, $20 call debit spreads. Total return, I'm down 11.76%. But I really don't have much in this play anyways. So it's fine. GSAH, 7.5 $10 call debit spread. This expires February 18th, 2022. Total return, I'm down 0.5%. So pretty much nothing. Pretty much break even on this. But like I said, as we get closer to the expiration date, which is in February 18th, 2022, then we're actually going to see the bigger moves, right? Just like with my BABA spread that expires in less than a month from now. As time passes and we get closer to the expiration date, that's when I'm going to see if this is actually going to be very profitable or not. If I'm going to win or lose big on these spreads here. And that's kind of the challenge, is just holding on and just waiting for time to pass. And then once you get close to the expiration date, that's when the real moves begin. Like, especially if you're close to the break-even price, it can go in either direction, right? It's either going to be a big loss or a big win. Now, if it's way far away from the break-even price, like for example, let's say BABA was not even close to 200 right now. Let's say it was like, I don't know, like $280, right? If Alibaba was at $280, that's so far away from the break-even price that it's not really going to matter that much, right? That's going to be like sort of an obvious win for me. Or if Alibaba is very far away from the break-even price on the downside, let's say it was at, I don't know, let's say it was at $100 a share. That's so far away from $200 that it doesn't even matter. That would be like an obvious loss for me, right? But right now, it's hovering around pretty close to where the break-even price is. Like, so the break-even price is $199.10, right? Alibaba right now is at 206. That's pretty damn close. And that's why there's these wild swings up and down, because it can go in either way. Like, I don't know if it's I don't know. It's really close. In this situation, it's not an obvious, I don't know for sure if this is going to be a winning or a losing play. It's really close. But I'm going to hang on and see what happens. And hopefully Alibaba does stay above $200 a share. Hopefully. All right. In my personal opinion, I'm long-term bullish on Alibaba. And I think recently it's been an overreaction to what's happening in China with the regulation of the tech companies. I think people are overreacting to the news. I don't think Alibaba deserves to be this punished, like punished this hard. Honestly, I really don't. So I'm just going to hang on and hope that other investors think the same way I do and they buy in. All right, but yeah, really happy with today's performance. Made a huge recovery, but who knows? Maybe all of that money that I made today will be gone when the market opens again on Monday. If BABA goes down enough, or maybe if it goes up enough, I might want to close early just to be safe, honestly. But if it still hovers around 200, 206, 205, whatever, I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Oh God, it's been a while since I've been this, because usually the plays that I make, usually it it's so far away from the break-even price to the point where I think it's going to be an obvious loss or an obvious win. Like with Bumble, that became like an obvious win, right? It went so far above the break-even price for my spreads. I decided to just call it, just take my profits. But in this case, it's just so close. It could go either way. I don't know. I'm really nervous about this one. And a lot of my money is in this too. A big chunk of my portfolio is actually in these spreads that expire on the 30th. So I'm really nervous. But for now, I'm just going to wait and see what happens. It's really close. All right. I just wanted to update you guys on my portfolio. Like I said, today was a really nice day. Made huge gains. Made a nice recovery. But I don't know. From now until the 30th, I just don't know. But I will keep you guys updated, all right? I'll let you guys know if I'm going to lose or win a lot of money. I'll make videos and I'll update you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.